Has your IKEA Knopparp sofa seen better days? Don't throw it away, upcycle it with one of our custom slipcovers. Our covers fit like a glove and are made from high quality durable fabric, such as European linen canvas and trending cotton prints. Installation is a breeze, and they're all completely machine wash and dry. Sustainability matters to us, so please upcycle instead of dispose. We pride ourselves on high quality for an affordable price, so check out our reviews. Rescue your old sofa with our custom slipcovers for the IKEA Knopparp.